Look at the size of this thing. It's huge. This is a zucchini. That's my hand. And that's one leaf. It's huge. It's going all the way up the fence over into the neighbor's yard. And this is what was hiding in there. Joey says that looks like zucchini parmesan to me. So step one is come off this end. About this thick. No need to peel it. The thinner the better. This zucchini is making a very satisfying slicing sound. You want to make sure you get the thickness right, so I thought I'd show you from another angle. Don't do that. See, don't break a lot. Keep a nice round circles. This monster zucchini is taking a little while to slice. Okay, after you've got your zucchini all sliced up, the next step is to flour it, dredge it in egg, and then breadcrumbs, and fry it. Once you have them all sliced up like this, dredge them in some flour. Get your sauces simmering. Time to fry up the zucchinis. So what I have here is 2 eggs beaten with a splash of milk and some breadcrumbs with some little bit of flour. Make sure you use the Italian style breadcrumbs, otherwise you need to add spices to this. And if I wasn't making Parmesan and I just wanted to fry this, I would add some Parmesan cheese in here. Now the trick to doing this is to keep one hand with dry and the other hand wet. Okay, and then when the oil gets up to temperature, put those in. Let them brown on both sides. Flip them once while they're frying so they brown on both sides. And when they're done, put them on paper towels to dry. And the last step of the process is to assemble your ingredients. Start with a layer of sauce in the bottom of your pan. And then layer in a layer of your fried zucchinis. I like to start with the larger ones first. So let's start with some of the larger ones from the bottom here. All right, once you got your first layer down, cover that with some sauce. And then some Parmesan cheese. And some grated mozzarella. Oh, and you know what else I wanted to pick up some basil from the garden. So I'm going to hit pause. But then after that, you put another layer on. Put another layer of the fried zucchini, another layer of sauce, another layer of the cheeses. And you do that until your baking dish is full. So you're just going to continue layering on. The next layer, first zucchini. And then another layer of tomato sauce. This is homemade tomato sauce with my homegrown tomatoes, onions, and garlic. I don't believe in buying jarred sauce. Unless it's the zombie apocalypse and you have no choice. And then some grated Parmesan cheese. I like the real Italian stuff, not the stuff in the shaker can, but that's what I had, so. And then some freshly grated mozzarella cheese. And then a nice little chiffonade of basil. That's it. I might be able to fit one more row in here, but you don't have to. Now, you can bake this right now, or you can wrap it up and put it in your fridge and take it to a dinner party. Okay? When you're ready to eat it, just bake it in the oven for about half an hour, at 350 or so, until it's warm and bubbly and the cheese is melted. And that's it. I like this best just the way I like eggplant, in a nice hard roll. Enjoy! It's definitely an Italian neighborhood when even the cats love tomato sauce.